Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your first program using Python. So in this example, I'm going to be using Spyder IDE, which is just an IDE for developing Python code. There are a lot of other Python IDEs that you can use, for example, PyCharm, VS Code, Spyder, and you can try any one of those. But in this example, I'm going to be using Spyder. It's a really good IDE and it's free for you to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is open a new file, and you can do that by clicking here. And this starts a new template, and the template has just the author name and the date created, and you can always modify that. So I am going to write our first program, which would be hello world, and I'm going to use the print function to do that. So it's all lowercase, print, parenthesis, and here I'm gonna use double quote, open and close, and here we'll write our first program, hello world exclamation, and then I'm gonna click on run file, and this is our output. So this is our first program using Python, and remember, this is gonna be all lowercase. The print function, if you use uppercase print, is gonna error out. Remember, Python is case sensitive, so we have to be very careful about that. So it's going to be all lowercase print, and click on execute. So this is our output in the output console, and you can then save it. And we are just going to call it hello world. Save it. So now we have it saved. So if you want to open it, let's close it here. We can just go to open file, open the Python. It's gonna have this .py extension. That's a Python file, and we're gonna open it, and then you can just do execute here. So yeah, this was our first program using Python. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.